Seeing the dreaded USB device not recognized error when starting your PC? It looks serious. But don't worry, we have got clear solutions to help you fix it fast. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are diving into one of the more alarming Windows errors, the USB device not recognized in Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. Method 1. Check your USB device on another computer. Before diving into complicated fixes, it's important to rule out whether the problem lies with your computer or the USB device itself. So disconnect the USB from your computer. Connect the USB device to a different PC or laptop. If it works on another device, the problem is with your original computer. If it doesn't work elsewhere, your USB drive might be faulty. Method 2. Update or reinstall USB drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a major cause of USB device recognition issues. Updating or reinstalling them can often solve the problem. Right-click on the Windows Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers list. Right-click on the malfunctioning USB device. Select Update Driver to search for updates or uninstall device to remove it. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the correct drivers. Method 3. Modify registry settings. If other solutions haven't worked, a registry tweak might be necessary. But be careful, as tweaking the registry can be risky and incorrect changes can harm your system. Always back up your registry before making changes. Press Win+R, type regedit and hit enter. Click on Yes in the USE prompt. Navigate to this local path. hkey_local_machine/system/current control set/services/USB store. Double-click on the start and set the value to 3. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. Method 4. Use the Windows hardware and devices troubleshooter. Windows has built-in troubleshooting tools designed to automatically detect and fix hardware problems, including USB issues. Press Win+R, type msdt.exe-id, device diagnostic and hit enter. Click on Next, let the troubleshooter run. Follow the on-screen instructions to run the troubleshooter if any. Apply any recommended fix provided by the tool. Method 5. Reconnect the USB device and restart. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. Resetting the connection between your computer and the USB device can immediately solve recognition issues. Safely eject the USB device if it's showing up at all. Unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, reinsert the USB into a different USB port. If that doesn't work, restart your computer and try again. Method 6. Scan for hardware changes in Device Manager. If your computer is not detecting your USB device properly, manually forcing a scan for hardware changes can help. Open Device Manager. In the menu, click Action, then select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will attempt to detect any newly connected devices. Method 7. Disable USB Selective Suspend setting. The USB Selective Suspend feature can save power but may also cause the USB device to disconnect improperly. Disabling it can sometimes fix recognition problems. Open Control Panel, change View by to large or small icons, then select Power Options. Next to your active plan, click Change Plan Settings. Then select Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand USB settings, then expand USB Selective Suspend setting. Set it to disabled and click Apply. And that's how you fix the USB device not recognized error in Windows. We hope one of these solutions got your system back on track. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tech guides. If you ran into a different fix or have any issues, let us know in the comments. Your input could help someone else. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next video.